reason that we have to chip is because we cannot putt a golf ball through very long rough. So we need a club with a lot of loft that will help elevate the ball over the long rough and then roll onto the putting surface. The way we stand to make a chip shot is really important. So we have the feet positioned very close together, and then we also have the left foot just slightly behind the right, so that way our hips are a little bit pointed to the target. It's similar to what impact looks like at full swing. Like this, we set the feet in position. The handle of the club is just left of my hip, and I've got a lot of body weight along my left foot. Now that we understand how to set up for a chip shot, let's go ahead and hit one. I've got this yellow target here that I'm gonna aim at. I've got this white stick here that's aimed directly at my target. For chipping, because we stand with an open stance and that right foot over and more in front of the left foot, we also have to make an adjustment for our swing. So when I get set up, I want my club to point directly at the target, similar to what this white stick is doing on the ground. But my feet are pointed this way and almost slightly left of the target, simply to say. And then my swing that I'm going to make is also going to be along the path of what my feet look like. So I've got these two yellow sticks here to represent how I'm standing and how I'm swinging, but this is how I'm aiming. So my club is aimed at the target, but my path of my swing is out, away from my body, and in, close to my body. Common question asked is how to make the golf ball elevate with a wedge. The wedge does a lot of the work for you. The most important thing to know is that this is the face, this is the sole, and there's a sharp edge right here called the leading edge. As long as the leading edge is going down under the ball will pop up and get elevated. If the leading edge hits right here on the middle of the ball, that's typically when a top shot happens, or a shot that goes low to the ground. What you can see here is for me to get the leading edge of this golf club to go under the ball, the handle of the club stays left of my body. And if I were to have the leading edge hit the middle of the golf ball, you see that the handle goes to the right of my body. So simply make sure this leading edge goes down under the ball, and the club will do a lot of the work for you to make the golf ball go up in the air.